All right. This is Comrade Edmond Osuma. I'm actually reaching you from Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, West Africa. Hello, Artificians. Hello, world. Hello, abundant-minded people. It is with joy that I am coming to hurriedly make this video with joy and appreciation in my heart over what has been transpiring in TBC community, TBC world in the last couple of days. First of all, I want to stand out to thank TBC admin for not only posting about listening to the various arguments, not only posting that it cares and that it listens, for actually demonstrating it just the way I called, okay, during my last videos that I posted. Because today I read on the blog that the TBC admin has abolished the policy because setting up councils to look into it and come out with suggestions and way to move forward. All right. I'm so excited about this because I know, like I said, that we should tread carefully about these debates because I was saying I was assuming a very, very funny trend whereby we started calling ourselves names and not treating ourselves with love. Right now, admin is stepping out to abolish, set up the private council. Even though I know we don't know who are the members yet, but at least the move is great and is laudable. And coming out to abolish, stating that all those that have returned Kringles or TBCs to the admin wallet will be returned back to their wallets. It's a right step in the right direction because I believe sincerely that while I encourage everyone, not just the billionaires, everyone to try and step up to make payments, okay, and to not only make payment, to become broadcasters and share the opportunities provided by TBC to all their members, their loved ones, and everyone around them. I don't subscribe to the fact that if you are unable to do that, your wallet will be lost. The reason is this. Let me just chip in one of these reasons that I didn't put in my last video. By the grace of God, I came into TBC, fell in love with this philosophy, and I've been spreading it around everywhere since that time. And I still want to remember, maybe the son watches the Paraventure, about a man in one of the local governments in Edo State here who actually is a TBCian. And I know this man has about 10 TBC, okay, and has kids and all that, and they are poor, they are not wealthy. But unfortunately, the son called me to tell me that their daddy has passed on. Okay, I can imagine the terror, I can imagine how harrowing. Okay, the daddy has passed on. Wow, it was shocking. Now, for me to now hear that the TBC that people like this have for their families and their dependents, because they are not now around to bear the burden of paying for that wallet, the TBC will be removed. Come on, it wasn't funny, because just imagine this could be the entire legacy, the whole wealth that this man left behind for the family. They may not be able to use to do one or two things now, but their hope is hinged on this TBC. Now imagine this thing is taken away because they cannot genuinely pay $25 every month. I want to really thank you. And like a suggestion that I said I got from Dan Locks, I don't know if it's from him, but it was on WhatsApp and his name was attached to it, that even if things like this should come, let's try to tax the old ones that are responsible enough to step up, and every new ones that are coming in, that look, this is the payment that should be made. And I don't think it should be monthly. All right, if it's going to be monthly, let it be very low. Okay, let it be $5 monthly. All right, $5 monthly would not be bad. Or let it be 2 times in a year. $10 2 times in a year would not be a bad idea. All right, something that will not seem to be a burden, to be an additional burden to what we already bear. A lot of us are jumping into TBC because it's the way out of the current fiasco that we face as humanity being pummeled from every angle by the elites. Okay, and having said that, much thanks to admin. I want to thank all the leaders and everyone that spoke for and against the new policy. Like I said, I'm cautioning that no matter what our view is, let us not begin to call names. People have called admin extortionist, they've called him insensitive and all that. No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Policy, action begets policy. If we step up and begin to do what we're supposed to do, we won't find draconian policy, because sometimes admin will get frustrated as about moving on because we are not doing what we're supposed to do, and you see something like this will come. But my prayer is that as this private council coming out, as we keep bringing out ideas, okay, the right ideas that will engender our participation, overall participation, that will take TBC to the next level, will come to place, so that eventually TBC will get to that place that it needs to get to. Like I said, I'm thanking all the people that participated in the debate, okay, for and against. And I want to say that if you have it in your heart, deep in your heart, apologize if you've used very dirty words. Apologize if you've called names where it wasn't due. All right? Maybe if you've actually smacked on those leaders that were there before you, because eventually you contribute your quota. You might step aside working on the background while some other people will be, very loud. It will not be fair for any of them to call you names. It doesn't mean that you're lazy. It doesn't mean that you don't know what you're doing or you've abandoned TBC. All right? So please, let us jettison that, because we are united and we are one family. We are TBCians. We are TBCians. Nothing can change that. We are united. We must learn to love ourselves. We carry too much of the old world into this new world we are creating. And remember the Bible says in Romans chapter 12 verse 2, okay, that we should be transformed by the renewing of our minds. Okay, while we are coming into this abundance-based world, we should change our minds. We should renew our mindset. We shouldn't come with the old mindset where we think it's right to collect coins from those that have millions or thousands or hundreds. No, they came in, they earned it. Some bought it, some earned it through work. All right, no TBC was picked from the sidewalks. Okay, some came in early, bought and got so much. Some earned it through the admin cookies. Now there's room for you to earn it now, to earn yours now. Okay, either through recruitment, all right, or either through recruiting 100 paid referrals, or recruiting 2 or 6 within 24 hours, as the case may be. All right, so there's no room for anyone to begin to discriminate or call people names. There's room right now in the distribution phase to become what you want to be in TBC. Like I always tell you, a lot of people are going to blame others for their own misfortune, for their own misgiving. But the time is now. Gather whatever you can gather. TBC admin is hungry to give out all the wallet give out all the TBCs in his wallet. Then the distribution phase will stop. Don't call names. Don't say I don't know. You have the opportunity now. All right. And I want to say that while we keep the debate coming up, this time looking for ways to motivate us to partake in all the opportunities that we've been given to grow TBC and to make TBC known by going out. Like TBC, Mr. Abundance said, go out and negotiate deals. Even TBC posted it before Abundance came on board, and Abundance re-echoed it. Mr. Abundance re-echoed it. Go out and negotiate deals with TBC. Go negotiate for that car, for that bedroom, 4-bedroom apartment, for that land, okay, that vegetable, okay, whatever it is that you need. Go and negotiate and tell them about TBC. They don't know. Tell them about it. They'll do their research. When they discover that they lose you, 10 more people come. You accept TBC, oh no, sorry. They go away. I'm going to use where they need TBC. You begin to think, what's TBC? What's this money I'm losing? Then they begin to put their heads together. That's how to blow this thing up in the market. All right, don't just wait for TBC to create an exchange. We already have an exchange, and that exchange is the community. We are the exchange, and it's the most authentic exchange you can have. Not those, funny exchange that the elite created. The exchange of community members that believe in TBC, that accept it, that spend it, are the true exchange, and we will override whatever exchange that is there. Remember, we are working towards 1 billion for starters. After that, more billions will come. All right. So, for that, I said, let's go along with all the opportunities that admin has given us to drive TBC to the next level. All right. And also, let us suggest ideas without necessarily hitting ourselves and calling ourselves names, whether we like it or not. We are children of the same parents. We are under the same roof. We have one household. We must learn to work together. Let us learn to tolerate each other. Let us even learn to tolerate the admin, because what he wants is our success. And those that are saying no, let us tolerate them. What we want is our success. Those that are saying we must do it, let us tolerate ourselves. Let us not call ourselves names. Let us learn to listen to each other and love each other. All right? And having said that, read your blog. Go to your blog, read your blog. Don't wait for hearsay. Like I saw somewhere, people are showing funny card that looks like an ATM card, looks like an ID card. All right? People are saying that in India, they're having TBC exchanges and TBC ATM card. It is fake. It is not true. It is a lie. It is the act of scammers. If we are going to be having something like that is authentic, you're going to see it in the blog. Go to the blog. All right? And to get to the blog, you just go to https:/blog.thebillioncoin.info. https:/blog.thebillioncoin.info. You get to the blog, you get all the latest posts from admin, and you'll be glad that you did. TBC is going somewhere. We are not packing up now. The enemies of TBCs were rejoicing, but I tell you, we are not packing up now. And I'm glad to know that even those that said they were gone, they are still part of TBC. They are following. Whitefish lady that said was gone, she's following. All right, please come back openly and announce your presence and go on with TBC. Let those that were dependent on you breathe fresh air because you're back. Thanks to TBC, to Dan Locks and TBC Randy, and so many other leaders out there for what you're doing. Let's come back and openly propagate this TBC gospel. All right? Nobody is better than anybody. Like Dan Locke said, whether you have 1 million TBC or you have 0.0000001 Kringle, we are equal in this community. All right? And before I see you again, I want to say, go to my subscribe to my channel. All right, so that you can get notified as much as I do videos. I do a lot of videos. I do a lot of things that you will love. All right, subscribe to my channel, and in case you want to reach me so that we discuss and exchange views and ideas, okay, more, you can get me on WhatsApp, or you can call this number, or get me on WhatsApp or even on Telegram with this number, +234 80790 59055, +234 80790 Okay, the name remains Comrade Edmond, aka the Crypto Coordinator, aka Cryptopreneur. I'm here, and together we'll move on to the next level. All right, don't blame admin for TBC not being spendable. Whether you like it or not, people spend TBC on the daily. I posted on an online an online platform that teaches a course on importation. Okay, and in that particular platform, all the courses can be paid for with 100% TBC. You can pay with dollar using PayPal, you can pay with your Naira, you can pay with any currency, you can pay with Bitcoin. You can also pay with 100% TBC. Before I posted it, I paid, and I am undergoing that course. Don't say TBC is not spendable. It is. By the time you go ahead to talk to people with TBC about TBC, they'll begin to accept TBC. They are vegetable. I have barbers, okay, hairdressers and all that, electricians, technicians, horticulturists that accept full TBC. Don't say it's not spendable. I have to organize seminars, invite them, enlighten them on what TBC is and the advantage of accepting it now. How they can store wealth other than the fiat currency that they take right now, that depreciates in value. All right, and people will gladly collect it because of the promises and the apparent advantages of TBC, which is a cryptocurrency that operates on the blockchain. Because as I speak to you, whether you like it or not, the Bank of England governor has said it. So many indications are coming up. The dollar is depreciating and it's going to be useless. This year, next 2 years, you will weep if you don't have TBC. You will weep. Even Bitcoin, the secret about Bitcoin manipulation by the elite will be known, and all that market coin. And they will leave them for user-based coins like the TBC. TBC is the first user-based coin in the world today. The value doesn't depreciate. It's stable in value and it even appreciates. What else do you want? One of the great quality of money is that it's a store of value. When you have $10 today, tomorrow becomes $5. That's not a store of value. But TBC today that you have, TBC today is about $10 million over. And I tell you, within the next 3 months, it will be about $15 million. It will even be about $200 million. That is what we need. That is what we want. So I encourage you, tell people about TBC, negotiate car deals, negotiate housing deals, negotiate rent deals, negotiate personal effect deals. Go to supermarket, get all the materials and say, do you accept TBC? Oh, no, that's your loss. I want to pay with TBC. Let me go to where they accept TBC. They'll begin to think. This is how you bring them. You drop your numbers. They will call you. They will think. They will ask you. I have paid for hotels in Benin City with TBC. I've bought food with TBC. I've cut my hairs and I've bought clothes with TBC. I bought a car with TBC. I bought lands with TBC. I didn't manufacture from this car. I went ahead telling you about TBC and they came. When they heard, they started getting it and they started using their stuff with TBC. And this is what we are talking about. You are the market. Go out there and negotiate deals. Tell merchant and enroll them in the merchant arm of the TBC. Go to your KCBO, look for merchant enlistment and enroll them there. All right. And I tell you, as they get reviewed by the admin, they can participate in TBC in the admin merchant promo, where they are giving 50 merchant promo tickets, where they can pay for their customers that they enroll in that can do transaction with them using TBC. How amazing! Why, instead of sitting down and crying and weeping there, let's do the right thing. Well, until I get to you, okay, anytime from now on this same channel, subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever I post or I'm on live. All right. When you subscribe to my channel, I can equally post a video telling you, okay, how you can get in contact with me on my Zoom channel so that we can do videos live and interact on my Zoom channel. But first of all, subscribe to this, subscribe to my WhatsApp page via the number that I gave earlier on. All right, so that even on that WhatsApp, I can post my link where you can connect to me on HD, on our HD Zoom, so that we can have an online meeting, discuss. You have your questions answered in real time and in real life, so that TBC will not become a mystery. All right. Until then, I'll say God bless you. Until I see you again. The number is +234 80 790 59055. That's my WhatsApp channel. Okay, that's my Telegram channel. No, you can get me through that. You can get me through Telegram and WhatsApp through that number. All right, and subscribe to this channel on YouTube. And I tell you, together we'll be neat, and we'll do things together, and the stress will be reduced. Once again, thank you, admin, for listening, for caring. Thank you, all the debaters for and against. Wherever you have heard, learn to say I'm sorry. Take cue with admin, all right? Learn to apologize, and let us embrace and unite with all love and hugs. We are not enemies, we are friends, fighting together to advance the cause of humanity. God bless you until next time. I love you very much. Stay blessed.